Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, etc. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD Japanese Yen for 8 March 2021 Monday. So Tuesday, I'll be coming back again with Tuesday's analysis. So this video is for Monday only. Okay. So we can see that market's last traded price was 108.36. Okay, this is the last traded price. And we can see that market is in beautiful uptrend. Okay. And market is making beautiful higher highs. Okay. And beautifully it was going up. And market is nowhere coming near to the 50 moving average, and it is not coming nowhere near to the 50 to take support at the 50 moving average. It is just going beautifully. Okay, so this kind of markets are very tough to catch. So what you can do on Monday? Okay, so right now you can see that stochastic RSI is an overbought zone, and as the USD Japanese yen is not coming near to the 50 moving average to take support. So in that case we can only do one thing. Okay, so to get the area of value to match the risk to reward ratio, okay, so we can do only one thing here. We can just wait for the market or wait for the stochastic RSI. Right now it is an overbought zone. We can wait for the stochastic RSI to come down to the oversold territory. When the stochastic RSI will be in oversold territory, and when it will start going up from here, okay, then you can buy. Okay, just make sure that when stochastic RSI will be going up, whether the trend is in continuation or not. Okay, you just wait for some good reversal sign like price rejection from below, and okay, like a hammer kind of a pattern when stochastic RSI will move from oversold level. Because if it starts consolidating, it will be somewhere around here, and from here it will start going up again. Okay, and stochastic RSI at that point of time will also start moving upward. Then you can go ahead and place the buy order. Okay, because this is a trending market. Okay, and to get the area of value to risk match the risk to reward ratio, you'll have to wait for the market to cool off a little so that you can get the best price. Okay, you'll only get the best price when the stochastic RSI will move from the oversold level. So this is the simple strategy, or this can be the simple strategy for USD Japanese yen for Monday, because this is a trending market and there are no such levels present. Okay, in case market starts falling, that's a different chapter. Okay, in case markets starts giving you some big fat red candles, then you can look for some price rejection or support at the 50 moving average. If market falls big time and it takes support at the 50 moving average, and from there if it starts moving upward, then you can buy. Okay, otherwise if market doesn't give you the chance and starts moving here only, okay, then this is the only option to catch USD Japanese yen on Monday. Okay. Just wait for stochastic RSI to come down to oversold territory and move upward. So this can be a simple strategy for USD Japanese yen for Monday. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and thank you so much. And if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, I'll be coming again with on Tuesday with Tuesday's analysis. And if you want to check the analysis of other videos and other currency pairs, you can also check my forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Good luck, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.